Oh, you guys did go with the 3-camera option. Yeah, you fucking idiots. Yeah, I love it. You should maybe do 4 on the iPhone 12. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's great news. Yeah.
Fuck the camera department. We have 10 seconds.
Oh.
Go!
Calculating. Swipe.
Mountain time? What the fuck is mountain time? That's not even a time zone.
Come on.
10 seconds.
Frick, hey.
Does anybody know how to read military time?
Military time? Why the fuck did you switch to military?
I'm typing as fast as I can.
Is it daylight savings?
No.
No, we're not.
It's not daylight savings.
Come on. 12527252.
I got the gear.
Stop overheating. Yeah.
2, 1.
No. Ooh.
It doesn't get any quieter every day.
Every morning. Hey, can we talk to corporate about changing the alarm noise to something less annoying?
Like, what does the sound designer work at Amber Alert?
My ears are bleeding!
What?
They're bleeding!
What?
Blood!
We do this every morning.
I feel like this is what a hangover sounds like.
Why can't he just get his mom to wake him up like I do? All right, good job. Yeah.
Same time tomorrow?
Yeah.
You want your sandwiches? I'll buy.
Wait a second. What? He hit snooze.